Have you ever wondered what it would be like to witness the sun disappearing in the middle of the day, to experience a sudden temporary darkness that envelops the Earth? This is the fascinating phenomenon of a solar eclipse, a cosmic ballet where the moon, ever our nocturnal companion, steps between us and the sun, cloaking us in its shadow and obscuring the sun's radiant glory. Throughout history, this celestial spectacle has captivated humankind. Ancient cultures, awed by the spectacle, often ascribe mystical significance to these events, seeing them as omens or divine messages. So what causes a solar eclipse? It's a simple yet extraordinary alignment. When the moon passes directly between the Earth and the sun, it blocks the sun's light, casting a shadow on Earth and creating a temporary, eerie twilight. In 2024 we're in for a spectacular show, as a total solar eclipse is set to occur. But what exactly does this mean? On April 8, 2024, a total solar eclipse will take place, and it's an event you don't want to miss. Now, let's dive into the specifics of this celestial occurrence. The total solar eclipse of 2024 is set to take place on the 8th day of April. It's crucial to note that the exact timing will depend on your geographical location. For instance, in Dallas, Texas, the eclipse will commence at approximately 1:30 in the afternoon local time. The event will be visible across North America with a path of totality stretching from Mexico through the United States and into eastern Canada. This path of totality is where viewers can witness the complete solar eclipse as the moon fully obscures the sun, casting a shadow on the Earth's surface. Imagine standing in the path of totality, where the moon completely blankets the sun. For a moment, day turns into night, the temperature drops and stars appear in the sky. This is the magic of totality, and it's a sight to behold. The path of totality will start in Mazatlan, Mexico, and then arc northeast across the United States, passing through cities like Dallas, Indianapolis, and Cleveland, before ending near Newfoundland in Canada. The shadow's path is roughly 90 miles wide, but the best viewing will be right in the center of this path. The duration of the eclipse will vary depending on your location. Those lucky enough to be situated in the center of the path of totality will experience the eclipse for the longest time, up to 4 minutes and 28 seconds. However, even if you're not directly in this path, you can still witness a partial eclipse, where the moon covers a portion of the sun. So, with the date, time, and location in mind, we can prepare ourselves for this rare and beautiful spectacle. It's a moment where we can marvel at the wonders of the cosmos and our place within it. Now that we know when and where to look, what should we expect to see during this awe-inspiring celestial event? Imagine standing under the open sky as the light gradually dims around you. The world takes on an ethereal, almost otherworldly quality. The temperature starts to drop, a cool breeze sweeps in, and a hush descends. It's as if nature itself is holding its breath in anticipation. Suddenly, stars that you would normally see only at night start to twinkle in the midday sky. Venus, Mars, maybe even Jupiter and Saturn, all making a special daytime appearance. It's a surreal celestial show that leaves you awestruck. Now begins the eclipse. At first, it's only a partial eclipse, with the moon slowly creeping over the sun. But then, totality hits. For a few precious minutes, the sun is completely obscured, leaving only its radiant corona visible. It's a moment of pure magic. As the moon moves on, daylight returns gradually, and the world is as it was. A total solar eclipse is truly a sight to behold. But remember, safety first. As thrilling as it is to witness a total solar eclipse, it's important to protect your eyes. The sun's rays, even when partially blocked, can cause serious damage. So how can you safely experience this celestial spectacle? One of the safest methods is to use special eclipse glasses. Not your regular sunglasses, mind you, but glasses specifically designed for solar viewing. They filter out harmful ultraviolet and infrared light, allowing you to gaze at the eclipse without risk. Another method is indirect viewing using a simple pinhole projector. With a piece of cardboard and some aluminum foil, you can project an image of the sun onto a surface and watch the eclipse unfold. But let this be your mantra: never look directly at the sun without proper protection. Remember, the wonder of a total solar eclipse is something to be enjoyed, but always with caution. So mark your calendars for April 8, 2024, and prepare for a celestial spectacle like no other.